bored. I think I'm gonna go to the trading hub. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm here and I have all my fidgets. I just set them up. Got all of my fidgets. I think I'm gonna trade one. I'm not trading this. I just got this like a few days ago. I'm going to trade my mini slinky. Trading mini slinky. Going once. Going twice. Oh my gosh, me. Okay, what do you want for it? I'll give you this simple dimple. This and this squishy. Okay, fair enough. Oh my gosh, yay! This is my favorite. Wow, she gave me a whole squishy and another simple dimple just for that slinky thing. I say to myself that that's a pretty good offer. Okay. I think I might trade this. Because she looks kind of poor over there. So I'm going to trade her this. Trading a yellow mesh and marble. Going once. Going twice. She doesn't seem to be responding. Going 3 times. Oh, me. Please. It's my dream to have one of these. Please. Okay, sure. What are you going to offer? I'll trade you this tangle. Maybe this pea popper. Oh, yes, and this pea popper. Okay, fair trade. This is my first mission marble. I love these things. Oh, yes, I love these. Okay, she gave me this tangle and this pea popper. Pretty good offer. Now I have 2 pea poppers. Should I trade something? I'm gonna trade... I'm gonna trade my dimple, I guess. I'm trading a dimple. Going once. Going twice. Did she just say a dimple? It's my dream to have one of them. Me. Please. Okay. What's your offer for it? My offer, will be, oh guys, hold on, be this bouncy ball, and this heart poppet, and this mesh and marble. So this poppet, this eyeball, bouncy ball, and that mesh and marble, and maybe that slinky. I don't know, guys. Should I scam her? Maybe not. I will do that next time though. Okay, deal. I got a dimple. Oh my gosh, this is my dream fidget. I love it. Pretty fair offer if I do say so myself. I guess it is actually. I'm gonna try this out. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not the best one. But it could be better, but I guess it's okay. I'm gonna put it by my other fidget. Now I have 5 puppets. This is the same mesh and marble that I traded her. Also that slinky. And let's see. Whoa. That's a good bouncy ball if I do say so myself. Pretty good. Not gonna lie. Stay there. Should I scam her with this? No. this Among Us Simple Dimple, and I'm gonna try to get all of my fidgets back with it. So like if I tell her to add, and then I'll just get it back after. Trading an Among Us Simple Dimple. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Oh my gosh, did she just say a simple dimple? I traded all of my ones. And it's also an Among Us one. Oh my god, I have to accept. Accept! I'm accepting! Okay, what are you going to offer? You have to offer a lot because it's a legendary. It's a very rare one to find because it's Among Us and stuff. Okay, I'll trade you this hexagon poppet, my simple dimple. What about a fidget spinner? This bouncy ball. This random little toy. I don't know what it is, but there. And this homemade DIY. They're like a squishy, I guess. Please accept. Okay, I'll accept, but no trade backs. What the? Oh, I just lost most of my good fidgets. These aren't even fidgets. I'm gonna get her back. I don't know how though, because I only after started collecting fidgets. So I might be able to right now, but I will eventually. Oh my gosh. I just got all of my fidgets back. Even my dimple. This hexagon poppet, I guess. My Among Us Simple Dimple. This fidget spinner. This random toy, I don't even know what that is. A bouncy ball. Pretty good. And this DIY fidget, I guess. I'm going to open it and see what it is. They're called tape crystals, I think. But they're very squishy and sticky. They're nice to play with. So, yeah. I guess that's going to be it for my fidget trading. Come back for more, guys. Bye!